Y'all, we rolling. We just found out about the Hot 16, so we gonna put it together. We got like 15 minutes for the deadline. Baby girl and I am Mr. Mayberry. Y'all check this out. It's on. Alright, hey, now just blaze and let me mention this flow that I've been ripping for oh so long. I ain't stopping, I ain't quitting. No, I ain't pausing, addicted to applause. And you know I stay true to what I do, cause it's my calling. Like a rapperholic, the beats are steady calling. Fiend a record 16 clean when I'm on it. I want it so I get it, heart is so committed. The rapper side got slow-mo, had to learn the business. Once I learned the business, I noticed that we had to market what we cook up in the sticky thin lab. So true to the streets, so we put it on the slab. Make it bump when I speak and teach my seeds how to rap.
Hey, Pops, I got your back.
Okay.
Let me do my thing. I help you finish off with this Hot 16. I'm Adam Shakur.